Dozens of sexual assault victims whose cases are unsolved may finally get some closure. That's because the test results from rape kits that were left on the shelf for years are now starting to come back. Fox 47's Chelsea Snyder has the details.
Sometimes a victim might not want to prosecute, or maybe the issue of the sexual act was not in dispute, but maybe someone was claiming consent, that sort of thing.
But with money from the Attorney General's office, the Ingham County Prosecutor's Office sent those rape kits out for testing to make sure there isn't a serial rapist on the streets who's flown under the radar.
We make sure that we didn't miss anything.
Local police and the prosecutor's office will be working together on these cases. Once the results are back, it'll be up to the victim whether they want to move forward with the findings.
We can go to victims together, explain the process moving forward, get their input on what they want to do, and then let them know that we can proceed or not proceed with this investigation.
Sexual assault advocacy groups say this could be the start of the healing process for many, but it will also be a difficult time for victims.
There's a complexity of emotions that can arise from this. Some may feel like they're finally able to see some justice. If we're going back to older traumas or even the current traumas, we have to know that this much exposure of sexual assault affects victims each and every time it's put out there. So we need to take care of each other.
McCormick says her office doesn't have enough staff to review all the cases coming back, so a special prosecutor will be hired to help with the investigations.
Now that they're in the process of coming back, we want to move forward with getting them investigated.
And that was Chelsea Snyder reporting. The state passed a law in 2014 to make sure all rape kits were being tracked, reported, and sent to a crime lab after thousands of untested kits were found in Detroit. The victims have a year after testing to decide if they want to press charges.